going to soft reset your Vivo V40, we just need to take a look at its right side. Here you will find a power button and volume up and down buttons, and to soft reset your phone we will need to press and hold the power and volume down buttons. Just hold it like that. Sometimes screenshot can be taken, that is totally normal. Continue holding the buttons till the screen will turn off, and after that it will turn on and you'll see the Vivo's logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the buttons, and also you'll feel slight vibration at this point. And now we are simply waiting till it will turn on again and we'll be able to use it once more. And yes, now it's on, and if you have SIM card PIN, you would need to enter it. If you have a PIN code on your phone, you would need to enter it as well. So sometimes your phone can be lagging a bit. Just give it a few minutes to rest and it would just work as it would normally do. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.